Hey everybody, here is my final for the Eggplane group build this year. I did the Thunderbird #1. Decals on this kit was a chore. They're always so thick, and to get them to form on any curve or anything like that, you gotta use so much microfed or microsol or whatever. Yeah, microsol, and I got a couple other brands too that I try to use. They all worked, they all helped, but the decals are so thick. I had one that ended up screwing up, and it was on this side here, so it cracked there, and I couldn't get it down, undo, and but other than that, it looks a lot better now because I had the exact same color for the blue and the red paint, so I was able to touch it up, and I sprayed it with clear. So that ended up working out pretty good. The bottom, that's like 5 or 6 decals. One underneath those. There's 2 here, 2 here. Yeah, quite a few. I was able to touch it up, and it ended up turning out pretty good. So that's one thing, if you guys ever have problems, see if you can find a paint that matches and then clear coat over it all. Always have luck with that. There's a decal on the back of his helmet. That one turned out good, and then you can't really see it because of his headrest. But oh well. That was another fun build. Yeah, it looked great with the other ones. Thank you, Charlie and Daniel, for hosting the group build. I'll have to send Charlie some pictures. So, a lot of fun. Hopefully everybody enjoyed it. I see a couple of videos out. Been trying to catch up with all the other ones. So, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.